Hello guys, welcome back to the Apple Connect, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to speed up your iPhone if it is too slow and how to do this up. So let's get started. So first step is you just have to make sure if there is no widgets as being over there on your background. So if widgets are there, which most probably have to say this because they drain out a lot of your speed as well as the battery. So it is very important that unwanted widget has to be removed from your iPhone. So as you can see that you have an option to remove the widgets as well as you can do it between, you can remove it. So I'm going to remove this also. So you can remove it in between, and also there are had a habit between the people, those who had a lot of widgets and they think it's just really cool, but it's really cool I have to say, but even though it drained a lot of battery as well as the speed, and this is very important. So this is the first step what you have to do. Moving on to the next step is all about you just have to tap on the settings, and from here you just have to scroll down and you have to tap on general, and from here you just have to click on background app refresh and make sure that, as you can see, that I have already enabled for all these, but in some cases you just have to enable the background app refresh for only the apps which you use very frequently, and you just have to turn this for the apps which you don't use very often. So what happens is here I use Instagram very often, and if I come to the next one I am going to close this up and I'm going to turn this off, as well as I'm going to turn this off. So you just have to enable only for the needed things, and rest have to be kept the same, and this is what you have to do. So this is the second solution. And moving on to the next solution is I would like to make you notice this. You just have to go back to the general, and from here you just have to scroll down and you just have to navigate to the privacy, and there is an option called location service at the top you have to select, and from here you just have to keep the location service on, and for the apps only while using it. As you can see, we have an option. If you select any app, we have three options. There is never, there is ask next time, or while using the app, because in most cases people used to keep all the times enabled for these things which drain their lot of speed as well as the battery. So I request you just have to keep it for only the needed one, and rest things have to keep on the never or ask option. Here as you can see that for the app clips, here I have given here, and even if you go for these maps I have given only when it is being asked or while using the app. So it is not me. You can also set this to never, so for the unwanted app, so it will not be keep on asking any kind of questions, and also it will not be running in the background as well as not draining your battery. And moving on to the last solution which I would like to make you notice is that you just have to make sure that you're on the latest version of the Apple updates, and you have to see often whether you're on the latest version, because some cases some people have an habit of they're not updating the latest version because that's like an outdated system, so it's not going to make your system up to speed. So you just have to try out when the updates are available, so you just have to do an update. And also the last one I would like to make you notice is if anything is running in the background, like multiple tasks is running in the background or multiple options are being open, so you just have to close this up and clear the background, and this has to be set this up. And even after trying this, I request to do a restart. Sometimes doing a simple restart makes a lot of effective measures, so I request you guys to do a restart also after that. So this is what you have to do. You can try this step not for all the flagships, all the iPhone models which have been released even recently, as well as for the devices which is above 6 and 6S. So you can do this up, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.